Hi, I'm Rick from Robot Mowing Solutions, a division of the Homesteader store. Today we get the privilege of looking at the Navimow product from Segway. Yes, the place that does the carts. Okay, those are electric motors driving those carts. Those are electric motors driving this robot. So that technology has been poured into their robotic line, and they have really come out with some great innovations that we're going to see on this unit. This particular unit is part of the i-Series product. The i-Series comes in an 1/8 acre, which is the 105, and this is a 110, so this would mow up to a 1/4 acre. So let's take a look at the features of this unit. So one of the best features of this is the front of the machine is actually up here. It's a little bit different than a normal robot. So it starts with this very large wheel. But one of the things I want you to notice about this wheel is that it's a rubberized wheel. So it's not a hard plastic wheel. So that's one of the reasons why this can maintain traction so well. And then as you go around this being the rear of the unit, and then you come over here and it actually states one of the big features of this unit, the EFLS. So that is the exact fusion locating system. So that system works with the antenna on this to triangulate between the fixed antenna, the moving satellites, and the moving robot to accurately locate this on your lawn. But now one of the features that are hidden by this charging station is right here, and that is the camera technology this employs. So it employs artificial intelligence with this camera to actually map your yard. So it has a redundancy of features to make sure that it is mowing your yard accurately. So a great feature on this unit. Now, as we move to the top of the unit, there's multiple things up here that really help. One, very clearly the cutting height here. So you manually rotate this cutting height so you can see right where it is. There is an IntelliPanel here, and that's actually a small letter B showing that this is charged to 100%, but it will actually tell you different things here. A stop, you have a mow button, okay, and then a home button. So if you ever get out there and you want it to send it back to the charging station, you press that. But there's a hidden thing right here. You can just see it, it's in a light red. That is actually a light that changes colors depending on what it is actually doing or not doing. And so consequently, you can see from a distance exactly if there's a trouble or if it's operating as it should be operating. So this is just a feature-packed unit for a value unit. This is actually running $1,299 right now. So it's just a steal of a deal in robotic terms, especially for the technology that it employs. We are very excited to have and offer the Navimow line, and this is the entry-level i-Series from Navimow, which is part of Segway. So excellent products. Look forward to talking with you about them. Again, Navimow from Segway.